Hate leafy failures? Let a potato babysit your rose cuttings. Here's how to win. Hey, I'm Tyler. Today I'll show you the potato hack to root rose cuttings faster. Step 1. Snip a healthy rose stem about 6 inches long. Cut just below a node. Remove lower leaves. Step 2. Pick a firm potato. Poke holes with a skewer or screwdriver. Make holes for each cutting. Step 3. Optional but helpful. Dip the cutting end in rooting hormone. Step 4. Insert each cutting into a potato hole. Ensure the stem fits snugly. Potato keeps moisture and supplies carbs to jumpstart roots. Step 5. Plant the potato with cuttings into a pot of light, well-draining soil. Leave stem tips above soil. Water lightly. Keep in bright, indirect light. Maintain humidity with a plastic cover for a few weeks. Water. In 4 to 8 weeks, you should see new roots and growth. Then transplant to bigger pots, or transplant to the garden. This hack speeds rooting and boosts survival. For home gardeners who want more roses. Like this tip? Smash that like button. Subscribe to Tyler's Gardening Tips for more simple wins. See you next time.